Today's video, we're going to find out who won this speed vise handle. G'day, my name's Aaron and you're watching the Design, Creativity and Technology channel. Well, today's the day. It's the monthly giveaway for May, and today we're going to give away, we're going to find out who won these speed vise handles. Now, I've used the comments that all you guys sent in on part 1, part 2 and part 3 of these videos and threw them into the YouTube random comment generator, and I've come up with these names. The first name, guys, is Chucker. Chucker 103, that was for part 1. You're the winner for part 1, mate. For part 2 video was Mike Harris, so congratulations, Mike. And part 3 was Blake Slater, so you were the winner for part 3. So guys, this CAD file was sent in by Mickey V, and Mickey V will also receive one of these sent to him in the mail. Bear in mind, guys, I will not be sending you the handle because the handle's made of steel and this makes the weight really heavy. I'll put the link up here. You can buy these handles on eBay for about $6 and they actually rotate. So I suggest you do that. These parts today, guys, I worked out they cost me about $18.50 each to make. Now that's not including machine time, electricity or my time. This is just what it cost me to buy the aluminium, machine the profile, put it in a post bag, send it up to Queensland to get anodized and come back. So they're a little bit expensive, guys. So I hope you don't mind buying your own handle. Now, Mossy, I've got the channel mascot here today, Mossy, the long-haired Chihuahua. He's a bit shy on camera. He doesn't want to talk at the moment. Do you, mate? But what do you reckon, buddy? Should we put these names into the hat and draw them or what? What do you think? Okay, Mossy reckons I'm being a tight ass and he reckons that I should give everyone a free vice handle. So there you have it, guys. There'll be no random draw today. Chucker, Mike Harris and Blake Slater, you all win a vice handle. I'll contact you via the YouTube email or etc. via the comment bank, and you guys can tell me. Now, I've only got 1/2 inch size left because I'm going to keep the 2 1/2 inch ones for me for my machine, but the rest I've got 3/4 of an inch, which is roughly 19 mil. So this one here is either 13 mil, 1/2 inch, really 1/2 inch is 12.7, but close enough, and 19 mil or 3/4, guys. Okay, look, hey, thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate your support, guys. I hope you're enjoying my giveaway sections that I've been doing with these videos. Just remember, guys, this is all off my own bat. I don't have a Patreon account. I am thinking about getting one to fund this sort of stuff. But yeah, anyway, look, I really appreciate your support, guys, and make sure you come back next month. I don't know what I'm going to give away yet. I haven't made it because my machine's still broken. Alrighty, guys. Hey, be good to yourself, stay safe, and remember, keep spinning those bits and ripping chips. I'll catch you on the next video. See ya.